Hello, Miss Hardy. Today I want to go over the 21st century skills with you and how that ties in together with digital literacy and the ISTE for teachers. So first, I want to talk about what communication means in the classroom. And having communication in the classroom is really important. It's important to have it between the students and the students and teachers. So, a good way to show communication in the classroom and outside of the classroom is maybe having an email. You can use your email to respond to questions and communicate with your students quicker and faster when you're not in the classroom. It gives them an extra resource to use if they need help or stuck on homework and stuff like that. Another good thing you could use for the students is they could use a group meet, and all the students can communicate, get to know each other better, and also they can ask for homework questions and help in the classroom that they have that they want to talk with each other about. Another good skill to have is creativity. It's good to be creative in the classroom because if you're creative, then so the students will be too. They'll want to be more creative like you. A good way to be creative is to maybe create your own quizzes. There's tools online that you could use to create your own stuff, and if they see that you're creating their stuff, they'll be more able to want to create their own stuff too. For the students, you could show them how to use a PowerPoint or some system like that where they can create their own PowerPoints and teach the class something by also showing their creativity in what they like to see and what they're teaching. Critical thinking is also important in the classroom. It's good to have critical thinking throughout the classroom because it will show kids different ways of thinking. Not every student learns the same. So you have to teach the students how to look at problems in different ways and it'll click for other students. It's a good way to put together different ideas and really think about it and see the process of how things are working. Another good thing is research skills. Having some research skills is good because when they're not in the classroom, they won't have the help they need to be able to learn how to use these research skills. So it's good to have maybe a laptop or iPad or a tablet in the classroom or nearby the classroom that the students can use to be able to pull it right up and research it as soon as they want. Some good things you should tell them when researching is use good sources, good citations, and show them what is good on the internet and what they shouldn't be using as a source, and how to work the Google engine and all that type of stuff. It's a good way for them to research things on their own time and in the classroom. Collaboration is really important in the classroom too. It's good for the students to work together and work on and put all their brains together and get different type of outcomes. So, good thing to do is projects. Online and offline projects are super good. It makes students come together with ones they maybe haven't came together with before, and it's a good way to put new talents together. Some good collaboration ideas are also using PowerPoints. That's just a super easy thing for students to learn to do, and they can work together on it and have really creative PowerPoints. Also, you could have your students have reading groups together and stuff like that, so they're working together and putting their own ideas together. So these are just some of my 21st century skills ideas for now, and I hope you enjoyed it.